Unraveling the meaning of, as one man. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating English phrase, as one man. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite expressive in its usage. Understanding phrases like these can really enhance your fluency and grasp of the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. At first glance, as one man might seem a bit puzzling. It's an idiomatic expression that means to do something collectively, with everyone acting in unison or agreement. It does not literally refer to a single person, but rather to a group acting as if they were a single entity. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where a group of people reacts or responds in a perfectly coordinated way. The origin of as one man is quite old and has been used in literature and speeches for centuries. It often appears in contexts related to battles or sports, where unity and teamwork are essential. The phrase emphasizes the power of unity and collective effort, suggesting that when people work together as a cohesive unit, they can be as effective as a single, powerful individual. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The audience rose as one man to give a standing ovation. Here, it means that everyone in the audience stood up at the same time to applaud. 2. When the decision was announced, the committee agreed as one man. This implies that every member of the committee agreed without any disagreement. 3. As one man, the team moved forward to defend their goal. This illustrates the team moving together in unison. While, as one man, is the standard form, there are variations like, as one, which carries the same meaning. For example, they turned as one to face the challenge. These variations are equally common and are used interchangeably. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, as one man. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can add color and depth to your English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.